Welcome to 5676 West First Square Southwest, right here in the heart of Vero Beach. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath lakefront home is move-in ready, and wait till you see this gorgeous view. The community amenities are just right across the street. Check it out. Hammock Lakes offers low fees under $100 a month for all this: hot tub, tennis, pickleball, pool, spa, basketball, and don't forget your gated security. I can't wait for you to come see this beautiful home.